The overwhelming majority of the American people understand which party fights for the health care of everyday Americans, and that's the Democratic Party. And in poll after poll after poll, including in Fox News polls, that's a reality of the American electorate's understanding of who in this town fights for them as it relates to accessible and affordable health care. That would be us. And who has a track record of devastating the health care of the American people? That would be Republicans, including most recently with their one big ugly bill, which included the largest cut to Medicaid in American history, devastating people in Louisiana and in the other 50 states, as well as territories. Second row.
Senator Jeffries, thank you. I spoke to some Senate Republicans who had a discussion with Democrats. They seem open to a potentially shorter continuing resolution. What's your response to that? And separately, I asked Speaker Johnson last night about the Affordable Care Act subsidies. He said he is open to reforms. Are you open to reforms?
We're open to extending the Affordable Care Act tax credit because that is what needs to be done as it relates to more than 20 million Americans who are at risk of losing access to care and having premiums go up, in some cases, by thousands of dollars per year. With respect to ending this Republican-Trump government shutdown, which is going to have painful consequences for the American people, including depriving older Americans from health care, including jeopardizing aviation safety, concerns with food safety, and a whole manner of other services that the Trump administration has already been adversely hurting throughout this year outside of the context of a shutdown. And now they want to pretend as if a government shutdown is the reason why they're suggesting that they're going to do some more extreme things. No, the Trump administration does extreme things because they are extreme. That's the reason why Donald Trump is deeply unpopular and why the one big ugly bill has been a complete and total failure.